పొద్దుగాల నేను మామ్ డాడ్ ఇంకా ఒక కజిన్ సిస్టర్ ఒక చిన్న ఫ్యామిలీ ట్రిప్ మీద పోతున్నాం. we're all going on a small family vacation 3-4 days ka. We're going to Vizag. I think I told you this in the previous vlog. You know, I'm super excited about it, but at the same time I'm not so excited. Super excited because the first time I'll be traveling with my mom. And is this the first time? Actually, yeah, this is the first time I'm traveling with my mom and dad in the car for a long drive like this. Like Hyderabad to Vizag is literally 700 kilometers. I'm gonna have super fun. But the sad part is I'm going in the car. Bike hai to you guys know it's gonna be full maza. But once in a while it's fine. I think let's experience this as well. Let's see how it's gonna be. So it's gonna be me, dad, mom and one of my cousin sisters. కానీ మధ్య vlog తెలుగులో చేస్తుంటా ఎందుకంటే మామ్ డాడ్ ఇంకా కజిన్ సిస్టర్ దే ఆర్ మోర్ కంఫర్టబుల్ ఇన్ తెలుగు అండ్ నేను ఇంగ్లీష్లో చేస్తే వాళ్ళ రియాక్షన్స్ తీసుకోవడం వాళ్ళు ఏమైనా మాట్లాడడం అంటే కొంచెం కెమెరా ముందు ఇబ్బంది ఏం తెలుగు మాట్లాడుతున్నా దే మైట్ గెట్ అ లిటిల్ బిట్ కాన్షియస్ అండ్ ఆల్ సో ఐ థింక్ ఐ వ్లాగ్ లిటిల్ బిట్ ఇన్ తెలుగు అండ్ లిటిల్ బిట్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఓన్లీ దీస్ వ్లాగ్స్ ఓకే ఫర్ మై Vizag trip. But as soon as I finish this trip and come back home, we're gonna go on a huge bike trip along with my friends. That's gonna be super epic. Anyways, abhi I came. As you can see, there is a little bit of kumkum on my face, bottu. The reason for that is today is Karwa Chauth. I don't know when I'm gonna post this, so in case you're seeing it later, Karwa Chauth already done. But yeah, if you have a North Indian wife, this is how it's gonna be. Anyways, as you can see, everything. Don't look at this. No gear and all that. Obviously in the car. But yeah, I have to pack my clothes. But this time, I have to go like an uncle in a suitcase. No top boxes, no tank bag, nothing. It doesn't matter if I'm going on a bike trip, doesn't matter if I'm going on a car trip, doesn't matter if it's friends trip or doesn't matter if it's a family trip. Our tiffin box is definitely coming along with us. Diet is not gonna miss, workouts are not gonna miss. See, already the excitement is building in. Whenever it's a trip, there is a lot of excitement from within. Anyways, I'll see you guys. I know I did not give the intro. I'll give the intro tomorrow morning because I'm just winding up. Almost 11 o'clock. Late ho gaya. And I have to start packing. Dabba ko open nahi kiya. Let me do that. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay? నాయనక్క కెమెరాలో వస్తావా సిగ్గుపడతావా
ఎందుకు సిగ్గుపడతావు
వైజాగ్కి షిఫ్ట్ అయిపోతున్నామా ఏందా లగేజ్
షిఫ్టింగ్ టు
దే ఆర్ న్యూ టు దిస్ ట్రిప్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ look at the luggage you're getting
because of coronavirus we are taking all these
chai water
and clothes, that's it.
నేను ఒక 1 month ట్రిప్ పోతే నేను తీసుకుపోతా seriously. I don't have any place left in the car. I'm just taking one suitcase and nimakaya lemon crushing ceremony once again. Dad is also ready. Dad is also going to vlog this time.
Hi, hello, how are you? Good morning.
I didn't give intro today. You can give my intro if you know.
What is the intro?
What's up guys? Kaise ho? Ela unnaru? Hope everyone is doing great.
What's up guys?
Slow on that, fast ravali.
What's up guys? Kaise ho? Ela unnaru? Hope everything is good.
Wrong.
Malyapu.
And he sees my intro every day. Every vlog he sees. He doesn't know my intro. What's up guys? Kaise ho? Ela unnaru? Hope everyone is doing great.
What's up guys? Ela unnaru? Kaise ho?
Wrong. Okay, lemon crushing in 3, 2. Oh, done. So let me go put my shoes, come back and let's go. 700 and I need to check. Okay, bye street win. Bye my dear tiger. I'll come back and take you for a long trip. For now, let me cover both of the bikes. Iske liye I don't have cover, but I'll be using my car cover. Let's go. My dad is looking at me. This fella is wasting time. That is my akka, Navya akka.
Hi.
She usually doesn't come. This is the first time I think she's coming in my vlog. Is this the first time you're on my camera?
Yeah.
Little bit she'll be conscious now. For some time she'll get used to it by the time we reach at least Suryapet.
Yeah.
Vizag. There you go. Visakhapatnam 10:16 arrival. Time of arrival 12 hours from here. 624 kilometers only. I thought it's gonna be 700 plus. And also 15,900 kilometers done in my car. Half a tank left. Range is 350 kilometers. After we reach Suryapet, maybe we'll fill the fuel. See you on the highway.
నాకు అట్లనే వస్తుంది ఏం చేయాలి?
My dad is trying to vlog, but he's vlogging in Telangana, which usually he doesn't talk in. Sometimes he talks in Telangana, but this is not natural, I know that.
కానీ ఏం చేస్తామండి?
This is also wrong. This is not how he talks. When he is taking on the camera, he's getting conscious.
అయితే
and
నార్మల్గా చెప్పేస్తా.
Yeah, that's how we should talk.
సూపర్.
నేను కూడా అప్పుడు మధ్యలో తెలుగులో మాట్లాడతా కొంచెం, ఎందుకంటే వీళ్ళు కూడా కంఫర్టబుల్ ఉంటారు తెలుగులో చెప్పినప్పుడు.
మేము
కొన్ని పంచులు తెలుగులోనే బాగుంటాయి.
మేము 4 నెలలు కోవిడ్ తోటి ఇంట్లో
కాంపిటీషన్ ఎక్కువైపోయింది ఇప్పుడు.
ఇప్పుడు దునియా కాంపిటీషన్ అయిపోయింది. అయ్యకి కొడుక్కి బాప్ సే బడ్కర్ బేటా, బేటా సే బడ్కర్ బాప్.
I'll see you. Once again, Sriman Kotaru has to forget something. Bike trip rehna to, if it's a car trip, doesn't matter, definitely have to forget something or the other. And now you know what I forgot. Car keys and all I took. Wallet may I have my credit cards, my debit cards, little bit of cash, and most importantly, driving license, Aadhaar card. All these are very important. And I was asking my parents, did you guys take everything? You people are not used to going to trips. I hope you guys took everything. And then I realized I forgot my wallet. Sriman, Gajni. Here's a wallet.
Hey.
Oh yes, we are on the outer ring road. This is one great advantage we have when we come in a car. Bike pe we can't take the ORR. Car's advantage. You can miss all the traffic. Actually, we had to go through Tarnaka, Habsiguda, LB Nagar and all that, which is like properly traffic. Look at this route. I think this is gonna be approximately 30-40 kilometers like this, and then we take the Vijayawada highway. From here, Vijayawada is 350 kilometers and Suryapet is somewhere around 170 kilometers, exactly in between Vijayawada and Suryapet. And Vijayawada is exactly in between Vizag and Hyderabad. Oh yes, we have cruise control as well. I forgot about that.
100 days cruise పెట్టు.
Outer ring road pe you can do 100 kilometers an hour. That's the speed limit. Yes, 100. Oh yeah, we're gonna get like amazing mileage now. It's showing 12.1 right now because that was in the city as well. I'm expecting somewhere around 16 kilometers for a liter. Actually, I forgot how to put cruise control.
That reminds all.
Dad is saying he wants to drive, but I like driving more. I'll see. Maybe if I get tired, I'll not get tired. Bike pe we do like Vijayawada is like our breakfast, right? So it's pretty easy. That too in a car with AC and all that, it's super easy for me. In case I feel like sitting and working, because sometime I got my laptop as well. So in case I have to work, then I'll sit there and work, and Dad will drive for some time.
11 నంబర్లో చూపిస్తుంది కదా ఇది.
A quick stop near 7. This is approximately Suryapet. We've done around, I think, 150-160 kilometers from home.
ఇది వద్దు ఇదంతా ఇక్కడ పడింది అనుకోండి, లేనిపోయింది. ఇంకా ముందు వాడు కాలిపోతే చెయ్యి. చాలా వేసేనా?
This is called COVID Batku. We are here at 7 restaurant, but still we have our own stuff, our own food, our own coffee. Did you get some tiffin and all? Breakfast we had and came. How are the washrooms inside?
Okay.
Worst?
Yeah.
I thought this is the cleanest washroom you can find between Hyderabad and Vijayawada. Huh?
Depends on the people.
People, see, that is the problem. They go and spoil everything. But actually, I feel this is the cleanest washroom you can find between Hyderabad and Vijayawada, especially Suryapet. Okay, complaint from here. Washrooms are not clean as of now, at least the women's washroom. You know what is the story of this place? ఒకప్పుడంట హైదరాబాద్ విజయవాడ పోయే కపుల్ ఉండేదంట. ఆ కపుల్లో వాళ్ళ వైఫ్కి వాష్రూమ్కి వెళ్ళడానికి కష్టం ఉండేది. అయితే మంచి వాష్రూమ్స్ లేకపోతుండే హైదరాబాద్ విజయవాడ మధ్యలో. అందుకు ఈ 7 అనేది కట్టాడు ఆయన వాళ్ళ వైఫ్ కోసం. ఐ డోంట్ నో హౌ ట్రూ ఇస్ దట్ స్టోరీ, బట్ తాజ్ మహల్ ఇది వాష్రూమ్ ఇది.
But when you go inside it's
now it is not fine, I think, but actually I don't know, men's washroom was clean, very clean. So right now we're exactly in between Vijayawada and Hyderabad. Next stop will probably be in Vijayawada, and from Vijayawada another 300-400 kilometers to Vizag. ETA shows 9:55, which is pretty good. We're doing great pace, and that too in the car, so we don't need to take rest. Usually when we're in the bike, we need to take rest for every 50 kilometers. We need to get down. I can do like 150-130 kilometers, but it's better if you can take a rest for your butt, especially on a bike, for every 50 to 60 kilometers. Car mein full AC, so no problem. Actually, it is boring, you know, car mein. I'm just sitting like that, relaxed, AC dal ke, music laga ke, just going slowly cruising. Especially, I'm seeing some bikes here and getting really tempted. I'm missing my bike now. I know you guys expected this, right? I'm gonna say that. Say hi.
I just want to meet you. I saw your dad.
Okay, next stop is almost close to sunset. I did not vlog much because I was always driving. My parents are a little bit worried because I'm driving and vlogging, which they're not comfortable with, so I did not vlog much. Ride update. Sorry, not ride update. Drive update. 5 hours 55 minutes left, 270 kilometers more to go, which is okay. Only thing is roads are really bad. They're really effed up. Patchy roads. Nothing changed since the last 2 years. I think I came around. Me and Chaitanya went to Arco once. That was the last time we came, I guess. No. After that we went to Sikkim, right? October 2019. We came on the same road. Nothing changed till now. In fact, roads became much more horrible. Stop for some chai. I'm okay because I'm super comfortable driving the car. Also, my tiffin box ka time hua, but then I had a late lunch around 4 o'clock, right now 5:30, so just sip some little bit of chai and I hope there's no much sugar in it. Oh, no sugar at all. Me maza vastunda, bore kodutunda.
I'm feeling happy and enjoying the trip.
అట్లా పడుకోనే ఉన్నావు కదా నువ్వు.
నేను ఎక్కడ పడుకున్నా నీ మొక్కం I'm enjoying your ride. I'm enjoying your ride.
This is not ride, this is drive.
Yeah, drive.
నవీనక్క నీకు?
అది నిద్రపోయి.
నవీనక్క slept properly.
Not properly.
Not properly, sorry, not properly. Not like in bedroom, but she slept little bit.
Actually, I feel sleepy in the car,
Okay,
but now I'm not feeling.
good. That is because my driving style is very good.
Not your driving.
Okay, good. They're slowly getting more comfortable with the camera. Good for me.
As soon as I get into the car, I start sleeping. But now,
Oh, she's used
I don't know
to
why.
sleeping whenever she gets into the car.
Maybe my children are cursing me.
And by the way, their kids, Navinaka's kids are like 10, 12,
12, 13 and 11.
11 years old and 13 years old. Both are like proper fans. They watch all my videos. They would enjoy if they come today.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, she took their place. And Chota car hai, maybe once we get the Seltos, maybe we'll take them for a good trip once. Proper road trip. మీకు ఎట్లా ఉంది పాప, మజా వస్తుందా? బోర్ కొడుతుందా? మజా వస్తుందా? ఇంకా చేస్తారా?
We will make another 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 kilometers, no problem.
Yeah, he's having fun. Yeah.
నాకు అలవాటు కదా నాన్న చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి.
He was getting down and walking on toll plazas and my mom is getting scared for that. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోతాడు పప్ప నెక్కి పప్ప
ట్రాఫిక్ ఫుల్ ఉంది అక్కడ నడుస్తానికి లేదు.
అంటే నడవడానికి ప్లేస్ ఉంది. దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ థింగ్ ఐఎమ్ మిస్సింగ్. Bike rides, we don't have tolls. This is the first time I'm experiencing tolls. And thing is, when I went to Hyderabad, Bangalore, that tolls are much better. These tolls are crazy. They're like huge traffic jams here. The roads are like effed up totally. And Papa?
This mad fellow is not allowing me to drive. He is
No,
not
because
allowing me to drive.
if I sit here, na, this is not my seat. That is the throne. That is my throne. If I sit there, I'm fine. If I sit here, I feel sleepy and bored. That is the reason I'm not letting Dad to drive.
Already I drove 2 lakh kilometers.
Oh yes, Dad did like super crazy road trips before in other countries. His story will tell later. He's got a big story.
Hundreds of thousands of kilometers.
Much before I was born, he was in Dubai and Muscat and all these Middle East countries. So there he used to have a Mitsubishi Lancer.
Also local districts with Chetak.
Here local also he did Chetak trips and all. But there Mitsubishi Lancer he used to have like in 90s and he used to drive a lot, lakhs of kilometers he's done. So road trips and all, I think I got my blood from that. So 5:30 right now. I think we'll do another 2 hours. Aram say we can do 2 hours without stopping. I don't need any breaks. After 2 hours we'll take a break again and maybe a little bit more chai, and I also need to have my tiffin box and then we'll continue. Yeah, by 11:30, 12 we should reach. Right now time is 5:30. And we arrive at Vizag. Almost, it was the most irritating drive ever in my life. Literally, I'm saying I've done all over India, but this is like really crazy. Yaar. I mean, roads were totally like, I don't want to use the words, but effed up. In case you people have any plans to travel to Vizag from Hyderabad, especially, I don't know from other routes, maybe it is fine, but from here, it is just horrible. Worst road. Let me tell you, I've done literally everything in India. Okay, I'll accept that there is one route which is the most horrible, which is Kolkata. But the second rank goes to Hyderabad Vizag road. Not only there are like a lot of potholes, but there is hell lot of traffic as well. Chalo, right now time is 11:50. I've always raised Google time. So if it says 10 hours, I would do it in maybe 8 hours, including breaks. But this is the first time I couldn't raise Google. Chalo, I think nothing much. I'll see you up in the room, or maybe I'm actually very tired for the first time I'm saying this. To driving a car, I'm not like really tired, but now my back is aching. Car, somehow bike pe is still fine, but somehow car mein I'm getting a little bit of back pain. See you inside, or maybe in the morning. So, maza vachinda leda?
సూపర్ ఇంకా 10 గంటలైనా మజా చేస్తాను.
నాకు కొంచెం బ్యాక్ పెయిన్ ఫస్ట్ టైం వస్తుంది కార్ నడిపినాక కూడా. నాకు బైక్ మీద రాదు ఎందుకో. ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ లిటిల్ బ్యాక్ పెయిన్. ఏమో మా కార్ అలవాట్లేదు ఎంత దూరం నడపడం. అండ్ రోడ్స్ ఆర్ రియలీ బ్యాడ్.
ఇది ఆగి కూర్చుంటే వస్తుంది.
మమ్మీకి అయితే ఫుల్ స్ట్రెస్ అయింది యాక్చువల్గా. ఇంకెంత దూరం రా బాబు.
పెద్ద అమ్మాయి కింద అయిపోయేది. నొప్పి ఏం పట్టలే.
నొప్పి కాదు కానీ నీకు లోపల ఉండే కదా.
అట్లేం లేదు నాన్న, ఇంత దూరం ఎందుకు? 14 గంటల జర్నీ. బాపరే బాప్, నాకు తెలియదు.
ఎందుకు చెప్పా కదా 11-12 hours పడుతుంది అన్న.
కూర్చోగలుగుతా మమ్మీ అంటే ఫ్లైట్ లోనే 48 hours కూర్చోడు.
Flight mein she goes to Canada to visit my sister. That time it is around 14-15 hours, 18 hours actually flight mein. And car is much better, you have leg room. Flight mein you don't even have that. But today she was a little bit tired. She was saying I want my bed. Dad is still fine. I'm also okay. Only thing is I need some rest now for my back. Nayanaka, Meiko?
I'm fine.
I'm fine. And that's it for the day. I think I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Tomorrow we'll plan the day. I think we'll be doing Araku and all that. And we'll talk tomorrow. I'm tired.